just like that. Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make corn handmade tortillas. This is a recipe that my family loves, and it's a recipe that I make on my own. So let me show you how to do it. For the ingredients, I'm gonna use 4 cups of maseca, 1/3 a cup of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And I have 4 cups of water. Okay, the next step is we're gonna mix all the ingredients all together. And be prepared to use your hands. So we're gonna mix all the ingredients together to make the dough for the tortillas. So as you can see, I'm adding the water as needed because you gotta make sure you get all the flour wet. And keep doing that until you have all the dry ingredients. I usually make my tortillas the size about 8 inches to 10. Also, you can see how all the dry ingredients are mixed together. We don't have any more dry flour in it. You gotta keep kneading this until everything is soft. You're gonna know when your masa is ready because it's not sticking in your hands anymore. See? Just like that, you have your masa. So I have my masa, I have my griddle. My griddle is hot already. And I have my tortilla maker here. You can buy it on any Mexican store. And I think Amazon sells them too. So for this, you're gonna need this plastic circles that is gonna help you for the tortilla not to get a stick on this. You can make those from any plastic bag that you have. You just gotta fold the bag in half like this and then cut it, and then that's how you get your circles like this. So now let's make our bowl. And see, this is the reason why you need the plastic. So when you get your tortilla out, it's nice and easy. You gotta keep doing this process until you finish all the dough that you have. You also gotta make sure you make them thin, not too thick. Then now is the time to turn it over. You can see when it's the time to turn the tortilla, to flip it to the other side, because this is how it looks. It looks a little yellowish, but you don't want to go over that because then the tortilla is gonna be hard. Just keep in mind that this is my own recipe. This is how I made them. And I use baking powder because it makes my tortillas be more soft. This is what we want. And that's how you know your tortilla is cooked all the way through. Do you see this brown? That means your tortilla is already cooked. So now is the time to get them out. So now you gotta keep going until you finish all the dough. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe.